Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistachio Graphic channel. For today I have this project that is a stand for smartphones created in two pieces. You can fit these two pieces here. I will create this project using my iPhone that I create here on the last video. I will leave the card here if you want to watch this tutorial and use in this project. I also create the drawings for this project, the stand A and the stand B, the two pieces. To start that project, you can create here on the show data panel a new folder, name that new folder, and import using the upload button. Select the file. You can download that file and import here for this project. Start a new design. Create here on the front plane. You can start to create some lines. Apply some constraints that the midpoint of that line needs to constrain on the center point. Apply the first measurement that is 7 millimeters, and the height will be 150 millimeters. We will apply some measures here and here. Create another constraint with collinear. That needs to be horizontally. Hold the shift button, click on the middle of this line and create a constraint of vertical and start to apply some measurements. The stand A is 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters. This here 20 millimeters. The height 20 millimeters. Apply the angle is 100. The same. Create here the gap that we need to fit that two parts. This is 28 millimeters. Divide by 2. Apply some collinears here and here, here and here. This is 4.6 millimeters. And this height is 30 millimeters. On the same sketch, we can create the second part. Create here the profile. It will be almost the same without the gap. Here and here. Connect. This distance is not important, it's just to create some space. And constrain. Hold the shift, click on the center of the point and create a constraint of vertical here. Hold the shift and here. The same wide, 7 millimeters. 100 millimeters. And apply here a collinear for that line to that line. The height here is the same, 20 millimeters, and that for 20 millimeters. apply this same degree, the same angle here. Now we can create that gap. The same process, hold the shift, click on the middle of the line, create a relationship of vertical. This height will be 16 millimeters and the wide will be 31. Finish the sketch. Now we can create an extrude. Select these two profiles with 4 millimeters. And we have these two bodies that after we can create a component. For now, we apply some fillets on that edge. Here and here, here and here will be 8 millimeters. Another fillet on these corners. Here, here, and here. The same for that second part. Here, here is 2 millimeters. And another fillet for these internal connections here. Here, here, here. Select all these edges, apply 1 millimeter and click OK. Now we have all these components. Now we can create here these two components. Create components from bodies. Right button, the same process. Now we can apply some different colors. Just click on Shift N and we can apply here. This first component needs to be grounded. And the second, we can apply a joint that is rigid. Here on the middle of this point. Hold the control on that face and click here. And move this 14 millimeters. Now we have these two components on these places, and we can inspect for interferences. Select these two components and click on Compute, no interference. And to finalize this project, we can import here on the Show Data panel. For that, we need to save first this project, Ctrl S. This is the stand, the smartphone. Save. And we can import the iPhone that I created on the last video. The link for that video is here on the description. Rotate that and reposition this project here. To be easier. If you want to move, click here on the Move tool, select the component, change for component here, click here on the cell phone, and just move a little bit. And now we have our project created and ready for 3D printing. You can export these two components. Click here on the right button, Save as Mesh. Select your preference and click OK. And export as STL on your computer. Thank you to watch this video. I have a membership on Patreon if you wanna help this channel. Thank you so much, see you in the next video.